An entire path name consisting of several subdirectory name can contain up to answer C 63 character. In which year the first operating system was developed? Answer C 1950. MS-DOS developed in? Answer B 1984. Maximum length of DOS command using any optional parameter is? Answer C 127 characters. In which version of DOS chkdsk command has been changed to scandisk? Answer D 6.2. chkdsk command is used to? Answer D all of the above. Which file is a batch file that is read while booting a computer? Answer A autoexec.bat. Which command is used to backup in DOS 6 Plus version? Answer B msbackup. Copy and Xcopy are same in the sense? Answer C both can be used to copy file or group of files. Which command be used to clear the screen and display the operating system prompt on the first line of the display? Answer D cls. Which command is used to clear the screen? Answer A cls. Internal command in DOS are? Answer C time, type, dir. Which command is used to copy files? Answer A copy. To copy the hidden system files of DOS to another disk, you can use the command? Answer C sys. Disk copy command in DOS is used to? Answer B copy contents of one floppy disk to another. Sys command is used to? Answer A copy DOS system files to new disks. The command used to copy a file named temp.doc from drive C to drive A is? Answer B copy C emt.doc A. External command in DOS are? Answer B edit, sys, chk, dsk. Which keys can be pressed quick without saving in DOS? Answer C Ctrl+C. Which command is used to get the current date only? Answer A date. Generally the date is entered in the form? Answer D month, date and year. Del command is used to? Answer A delete files. Which statement is correct? Answer C 1 millisec is equal to 10 power 3 sec. chk, dsk can be used to find? Answer D all of above. Dir command is used to? Answer A display a list of files in a directory. The delete file is MS-DOS, can be recovered if you use the command mentioned below immediately. The command is? Answer C undelete. To copy the file command.com from drive C to drive A, answer C copy C command.com a. While working with MS-DOS, which key is used to get the previous command use? Answer A. F3. FAT stand for answer C. File allocation table. Xcopy command can copy answer D. All of above. Which command is used to make a new directory? Answer A. MD. Full form of MS-DOS is answer C. Microsystem Disk Operating System. Operating system is like a answer C. Government. Format command is used to answer C. Both of above. The following command set is correct according to their function. Answer B. Del and erase. Which command is used to change the file name? Answer C. Both of above. While working with MS-DOS, which command is used to copying the files to transfer from one PC to another one? Answer D. Copy. Restore command is used to answer A. Restore files from disks made using the backup command. The vol command is used to answer C. See the disk volume label. In MS-DOS, you can use small or capital letter of combination of both to enter a command, but internally MS-DOS work with answer B. Capital letter. The maximum length in DOS command is answer B. 127 charts. The time command is used to display dash time. Answer D. System time. The function of delete is answer B. Show only file name and directory name. RD command are used to answer A. Remove an empty directory. Which command is used to list out deleted files in DOS? Answer B. Undelete list. Which command is used to delete the directory and all of its contents is one step? Answer A. Del tree. What you type at the DOS command prompt to return back to Windows? Answer B. Exit. What do you type at the DOS command prompt to return back to Windows? Answer B. Exit. Which file system DOS typically use? Answer A. FAT16.